Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini video calls. To begin, ensure your device, whether it is a smartphone, tablet, or computer, has a functional camera and microphone. Gemini video calls provide a straightforward method for connecting face-to-face with others. You can easily start a video call directly from an ongoing chat, making communication incredibly convenient and integrated. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth experience from start to finish. To initiate a video call, first open the Gemini application on your device. Navigate to an existing chat conversation with the person you wish to call, or simply start a brand new chat. Once inside the chat interface, locate the video call icon, which typically looks like a small camera. Tapping this icon will prompt Gemini to begin connecting your video call, usually within a few seconds, preparing you for a face-to-face interaction. During an active Gemini video call, you have several controls at your fingertips. You can easily mute your microphone if you need to speak privately, or turn off your camera for a moment. For presentations or collaborations, the screen sharing feature allows you to display documents or applications to other participants. Furthermore, you can invite additional people to join, effortlessly transforming a one-on-one conversation into a dynamic group video call with up to 10 participants. When you are ready to conclude your Gemini video call, simply locate and tap the prominent red End Call button, usually found at the bottom of your screen. For the best experience, always ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection. This prevents interruptions and ensures clear audio and video quality. Additionally, positioning yourself in a well-lit environment significantly enhances your visibility to other participants, making your video calls more engaging and professional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.